Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix system restore error 0x81000204 on Windows 10 or 11. But before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button from there. Or alternatively, you can also comment down below on our videos about your problem. And just don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Perform CHKDSK scan. CHKDSK is a built-in system tool that checks the integrity of a disk volumes file system and resolves system restore error 0x81000204 problems. Number 2. Run SFC and DISM scans. The system files are very important for the normal operation of Windows, and they mostly contain DLL files, configuration files, hardware drivers, and files containing administrative tools in Windows. Number 3. Perform system restore in safe mode. If nothing has worked up to now, you can try to restore a system to a previous time when it was functioning properly. Number 4. Reset your PC. To solve the system restore error, the appropriate option is to use Reset This PC or Cloud Reset to reset every Windows component. Number 5. Update your Windows. Make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. Microsoft regularly releases updates and patches that can address system restore error issues. Number 6. Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. For this, press Windows plus R key and enter MDSCHED and hit enter. After that, just click on next to continue. Number 7. Reset the repository. For this, open command prompt as administrator. Now in the command prompt, to stop Windows Management Instrumentation Service, enter the command that is netstop winmgmt. After this, open File Explorer and go to this location. Now, from there, search and locate the repository folder and right-click on the repository folder and choose rename. And after that, rename the folder to repository_old. Number 8. Scan your system for malware. Malware and viruses can cause system restore error issues. To check for issues, conduct a complete computer scan using an authorized antivirus or anti-malware tool. So this was it for the video guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.